Welcome back to another IRL video. Today we're here at the Alton Towers Resort to give you a Nemesis construction update. Now, I know I do Roblox stuff on my channel and all, but like, if you don't know, Alton Towers is a theme park here in the UK, and they're retracking them roller coaster.
The Phalanx.
I'm getting interrupted. Hold on.
Strength in control.
Anyway, so they have a roller coaster here called Nemesis, and it closed for a retrack, and I'm going to give you all a construction update of what's going on in the construction site. So let's go. Here it is. It's quite sunny, so I don't know if you can see. If I just zoom in a bit. There we go. But here's what's happening on the Nemesis site. Of course, they put in the vertical loop just there, and I think they put this in a few days ago, but the 0G roll inversion has got focus camera, thank you. Anyway, focus! Oh my god, this camera will not focus, there we go. There's the 0G roll inversion just there, and of course, I think the outer bank around the station, and
Lab 9 0 0 5
I'm getting interrupted
9
anyway.
0
And there's also
1 3
another outer bank just there. I really don't know what to call these.
3.
I'm just calling them an
Scientific
outer
testing
bank.
is in progress.
This is so
at this
loud!
site.
Anyway, I'm going to go down to the Nemesis site now, and I cannot edit, so just skip forward about like 40 seconds if you don't want. If you don't want to watch just darkness. Sorry, just I need to get down to the Nemesis construction. I just need to get down to just go and give you some peeks of Nemesis real quick. Skip forward, please. Actually, no, just skip forward about like 60 seconds. What's up, Terror? There's also the, oh my god, it's all still zoomed in. Nemesis gun. Keep skipping, guys. Just keep skipping until you find, not pitch black. Alright, so we're just heading to Nemesis now. Phalanx, seek the truth. It's there. Go down the Nemesis. But, yeah, Nemesis is closed, and I'm just gonna see if I can put my phone through holes just to see what's going on. Right. Now, so let's just get through, go down. I think I found a good view with some Nemesis holes. Just to check there's no workers there, because like, it scared me. There you go. More down there. Of course, Nemesis is closed. Got the best view here. There it is. You also get another view of the. See, now there's another hole that I can put you through just here at the end. Just hope there's no workers there trying to scare me. Yeah, there's a worker there, sorry. Right. It was just a short video of the Nemesis construction update, but I hope you all enjoyed. And let me know if you want more of this, and I will see you all in the next one. Peace out.